I figured I might as well just do a walkthrough and see the whole thing and see what's going on. I don't know what those cabinets are for. I suspect they're for the neighbor's unit, but I don't know for sure. There aren't any missing here. Alright, coming out of here. So I'll head for the basement. And see where they've got things all taped off. The flooring that they aren't going to replace, I guess. And I'm pleased to say that it looks like they aren't going to do anything with the bathroom. And the water heater that I wish to replace. All looks pretty good down here, I guess. No smell of smoke at all. And as you can see, we still have a safe. I knew you'd be relieved to hear that. I think what I'd like to do is put some shelving or something in down here to make it so we can actually get to it. Use that for storage, more efficient storage anyway. And the main room here. They left those shelves, that's alright. Looks pretty empty. Alright, let's go back upstairs. I don't see him doing anything with that, so I hope they'll leave it. But all the insulation's gone. They haven't done anything back here. I'm sure they won't be doing anything with the deck at all. And to the kitchen. All the cabinets are nice and taped up and everything. I'm still hoping we can do something with this area here. Make it more useful. I don't know what. I guess we'll find out. Seems smaller than I remember for some reason. I think they're going to replace these risers. I think I remember reading that. And the bathroom. I hope they redo these walls. Yeah, that'd be fun, wouldn't it? Looks like this is going to stay. I don't think we have to worry about that. And no light in here, but I'll give it a shot anyway. Yeah, dark hole. And our bedroom. Again. Looks like they're going to rewire these switches or something. I don't know what they have in mind, but let them worry about that. That's what I was saying, that all this was open now. This is the neighbor's side. I don't know how much of it we can see here. wonder if I can turn the lights on here. I have no idea where the cords are. Set up a little different than ours, I think. See if I can find the light boxes here, huh? There we go. Ah. Cool. Okay. Yeah, this is set up a lot different than ours, I think. Huh. Still a lot of this crap up here. Get a little better idea what that looked like. You can still see the charred timbers. I thought all that was gone. Obviously not. Okay, lights out. Okay, back at our place again. We lucked out, as we've always known. All right, there's the grand tour. Lights out.